Objection, Judge, that's privileged. You want to know what that's about and why it would come up during the course of a trial? Come join me as I share with you this great information. I am Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. During the course of trial, you will always see an attorney at some point during the trial yell, "Objection!" And now the attorney has to give the judge a reason for that objection. Then the judge will have to make an instant decision about whether or not the objection is appropriate and whether or not to allow the witness to answer the question or whether or not certain information is going to be introduced so now the jury can see it. When an attorney jumps up and yells, "Objection, Judge," that material is privileged. What that means typically is that now an attorney is asking a witness questions about a conversation that has gone on between the witness and an attorney. Now, if there is an attorney-client privilege, that information will be prevented from being disclosed to the jury. Now, why is that? Because let's say you hire an attorney and now you have discussions with him about the strategies of what you're going to do during the course of the trial. And now if somebody else asks you to disclose and discuss what it was that you talked to your attorney about, there will be an objection because those conversations are privileged and confidential. So now if somebody else wants to get information about what the two of you discussed, that's not going to be permitted. And then the judge will turn around and say, "Objection sustained," which means that the question is not going to be permitted and the witness does not and will not answer that question. So that's what's typically going to happen when you hear an attorney jump up and object. "Your Honor, I object. That's privileged information." So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding to what goes on in a medical malpractice trial or a car accident trial or even a wrongful death trial. You know, I realize you're watching this because you have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in the state of New York and you do have legal questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day and I'd love to talk to you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's quick video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a great day.